all the people with the backwards attitude, pointing fingers, and that's a bad excuse for sitting on your ass when you complain. Stupid things that you don't want to change. You ain't got no time for me, and I ain't got no sympathy for you.
Okay, I'm making this little video about what is called the fata morgana. It says the fata morgana is an unusual and complex form of superior mirage that is seen in a narrow band right above the horizon. It is the Italian name for the Arthurian sorceress, more blah blah blah, whatever. Okay, but it says a narrow band right above the horizon. Okay, this is what is hiding things from your view in the distance. It's not the Earth's curvature. Most of you globelings believe that, oh, I can't see an object, it must be behind the curvature. Okay, well, I've made these observations on a water tower that show over 100 feet hidden because of this effect. Now you Google how tall is a water tower. About 165 feet, give or take. You can see different heights, but that one says 130 feet. But the height of the water tower determines your water pressure. That's the water comes down. They pump the water up into the tower, then it comes down the pipe, and that's what determines your water pressure. Okay, and then if you see here, get rid of this. This is the same water tower from the exact same location that I've been making my observations. See here, you can see all the way down to where it flares out at the bottom, at the base, where it hits the ground. And here, you can't see anything but the very top of it. All this is a mirroring effect. It's just mirror the top of it. So that's over 100 feet that you can't see from. I took this video on March 16th of 2018. I took this one in January. This day, it was a cool day. The humidity was low. You could see much more. It's obvious. Play this video a little bit. Let's make it bigger. Okay, I was observing this bridge. See the cars going across the bridge. I made a video about this. I'll link it in the bottom, in the description. But I was going back out to see, and this bridge is only 17 to 20 feet off the water. And then over here, the bridge starts to go up. It peaks up at 70 feet. There's a channel up under here for the boats can go under. But like I said, some days you can't see any of this stuff. And it's not because of the Earth's curvature, it's because the atmosphere effects. Okay, let me go back, see if I can show you. Okay, there's where I zoomed out, and as you can see, I was right on the beach, right on the waterline. There's the water. Okay, I'm going to also show you this house right here. Now, this house is completely hidden on this other video. Let's maximize this one. Okay, same water tower, same location. I'll show you the channel marker. Channel marker. There's all kind of stuff that you can't see on certain days. Now, this is the same house right here. Let's see if I can get to it. Okay, this is a 2-story house. Look at this. You can't see, and this house is about, I think, 6 miles away. See how the whole bottom of it is blurred? That is your fata morgana. Now, people think that ships, disappear behind the curve. They don't. They're disappearing behind this atmosphere. You can't see through it. Certain days you can, certain days you can. And even on the clearest day, you can't see forever. I always get, oh, why can't you see Japan from California? Or Hawaii from California? It's because of you can't see forever through the atmosphere. Same house right there. 2-story house. Okay, from the same exact location on 2 different days. Oh, this is January 16th. I took a picture of my camera sitting on the beach. This is from March. I took a camera sitting right on the beach. My camera height is this tripod. I measured it. It's about 4.5 feet from the lens to the ground here. I'm using a Manfrotto 290 light tripod. It's just a little travel tripod. Very good one. But it's not a very tall tripod. Let's see, that's all atmosphere causing all of this. See it fine one day, can't see it at all another day. Okay, there's that channel marker. Let's see if I zoom back to it. Okay, you can see right here, there's the tower. There's to the left of this channel marker. Now I can't find this tower on Google Earth because it's kind of hard to find them when you're looking on these maps, but I'm looking out over this water here. I believe the tower is somewhere over here, which is about 17 miles away. Do my measure tool. Right here. Measure out. I'm pretty sure it's on this little jetty of land right here, which is 16.96 miles away. 16.5 to 17 miles away. I say this is the Choctawhatchee Bay. This is Fort Walton Beach, where I had my camera set up. This is Destin. This is the Mid-Bay Bridge. And this is Miramar Beach. Pretty sure that tower's over here, but like I said, it's really hard to find one if you don't know exactly where it's at. They're just like little dots. But it's somewhere in here. I could be wrong. But yeah, that's the only place it really could be. Anyway, like I said, that's all atmosphere. It's the fata morgana effect. Go back. Okay, there's the tower. There's the channel marker. Well, that just shows, I see a lot of these globers putting out videos and, oh look, it's hidden behind the curvature. And if you look at the metabunk.org, okay, if I figure that tower is about 17 miles away, I put my height, my viewer height, 6 feet, which is, giving it credit, it was actually a little bit lower. See your drop 192 feet, hidden 130 feet, and that's probably about what's hidden on that water tower with the atmosphere. It's probably about 130 feet, so it's not the Earth's curvature. And then they say with standard refraction. There's no such thing as standard refraction. I mean, as you could plainly see in my video, one day you could see the whole tower, one day over 100 feet of it's hidden. So how is that standard refraction? All right, anyway, I think that's pretty good proof that things aren't really hidden behind any curvature. It's fata morgana, mirror line, whatever you want to call it. All right, that's all I got for this one.